description for this. Now the first one is OBS Studio. It is the most advanced screen recorder and it's mostly used for streaming. To record with it, go to Sources, right click on it, Add, then select Screen Capturing. This option will record your only display without any audio or anything. To add audio, do these steps again and select the first one for microphone. From audio mixer you can adjust audio levels. If you want to adjust capturing settings, click on File, Settings, and here they are. Now moving to the second one, it's called Icecream Screen Recorder. The interface is really easier. From here you can capture video and you have a lot of options. The first one is for screen capturing. Second one is for capturing area. Third one is to record the area you selected previously. Fourth one detects area automatically. Number 5 is for tasks recording. And the last one allows you to record around the mouse with a specific resolution. You can capture games from this panel, but it has only one limit. It doesn't record MP4 without license. Now moving to the next one, and it's called Sharex. It has plenty of tools right here, but our matter is screen recorder. To use it, select capture, then screen recording. Now select where you want to record. Now it is recording. To stop recording, click on this icon. To configure your video, click on Task, then Screen Recorder. From here you can adjust the frame rate, and from here you can adjust audio devices and formats. Now moving to number 4, ActivePresenter. This software isn't just for screen recording like his brother, I mean the previous software. So to record video, just click here. You can select the area, you can record only one window, and from here you can adjust audio and webcam. By clicking here you can adjust more settings, as you can see right now. Now let's move to the next one, and it's called TinyTake. Move your mouse to capture, then select video capturing, select your area, then click on record. Now click Save Locally. You can open settings from here. You're gonna find devices and hotkeys panels. The next one is Microsoft Game Bar. and it has only one annoying limit. It records only one window. To launch it, click Windows key plus G on your keyboard. To adjust the settings, click here, then click here. You're gonna find the recorded videos right here. The next one is an online screen recorder from Powersoft. The first launch would download a launcher to your PC. Install it like any program. After this, by clicking on Start Recording, you can see here the recording panel. You can record full screen or region, and you can capture audio and webcam too. You can open advanced settings from here. You can select the quality, frame rate, codec, and the mode, and it's recommended to stay balanced. And here is how to save it. The next one is Sharex. This software allows you to show FPS while gaming, and it allows you to record video too. From here you can select exporting path, you can enter hotkey, you can adjust sound settings, and you can select your video FPS. To record with it, just open the game and enter your hotkey. The next two is really easy to use. First one is FreeCam 8. Just launch it and click screen record. And you can adjust audio from here and resolution from here. The next one is a screen rec. It is the easiest one to be used actually. Thank you for watching till here, and please don't forget to support me by subscribing, liking, and tell me in the comments which one you